So today on Joanne's Food Bites, we're going to show you how to make an easy white bread. Make sure in your bread machine that you have your paddle, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of 2% milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, you're going to add 1 cup of water. Make sure it's 110 to 115 degrees. Add 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. To that, you're going to add 3 cups of flour. I added 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. Make a little divot in your flour to hold your yeast, because you don't want it to mix with the wet ingredients. And add 2 teaspoons of rapid rise yeast. Make sure it says rapid rise. Place it securely in your bread machine. Set your bread machine to the dough cycle. This is going to do all the work for you. Once the dough's been kneaded, you're going to place the dough in a loaf pan. Allow it to rise. Go ahead and place a cloth over it so it'll remain kind of warm. Should take at least 30 minutes for the dough to rise. Then you're going to put it in a preheated oven that's 350 degrees for approximately 35 minutes till the bread center registers 190 degrees. If you like this video, please subscribe.